Hey, let's talk about this thing called the Proctored Exam. That kind of brings fear into everyone's kind of mind. So let me just walk you through this really quickly. If you look on the buttons to your left, you will notice a button on that menu that says, proctored, smart proctoring, something like that. Click on that link and you have to set your test up. Just follow the process. It explains what you need to do, setting your account up, making your appointment, deciding where you want to take the exam. So you can take it at the Proctored Lab at the Natchez campus, the Proctored Lab at the Weston campus, or the Proctored Lab at the Simpson Center. What is really important, when it asks you to put your zip code in, put in one of those where you want to be taking your proctored. Because if you put in, like, if you say live in Jackson and you put in your Jackson zip code, well, it'll give you Hines or Holmes or something like that as a choice. But so be sure you put in the zip code of whichever one of those that you want to take your exam. Set up your time, and and it will give you a slot. But here's what is really important: be there, be on time. The Proctored Labs are not something that you can just walk into. Remember, you can't just walk into the Proctored Lab and make an appointment. Well, you can, but you can't just walk in and take the test. But so make that appointment and keep it. I can't stress to you as well the importance of this proctored test. If you don't take your proctored, you will not pass the class. I don't care if you have an A average, and if you play with your grades and factor in a 0, you'll still pass. You must take your proctored in order to pass the class. I have your study guide furnished. You'll not be allowed to take your study guide in there like the others, but your study guide is there. You've taken a couple of tests. You sort of know how it goes. You know how long it takes. You're kind of learning the types of questions that I ask. So get that process started. Do not wait till the last minute. It needs to be done this particular week, and everything's set up. Okay, so start, hit the smart proctoring, and let's get that set up. Best of luck to you.